Welcome to our YouTube video on welding. I'm your assistant, here to provide a clear and concise explanation of what welding means in manufacturing engineering. Shortly, what is the definition? Welding is a manufacturing process that joins two or more pieces of material, usually metals or thermoplastics, by applying heat, pressure, or both, so that they fuse together to form a strong joint. Think of welding like melting two candle ends and pressing them together. Once cooled, they become one solid piece. So, why is welding so important? Because it creates permanent, durable connections, is essential for building structures, vehicles, and machinery, and allows for strong, reliable products across many industries. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insightful videos. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.